completed our last unit, that is our clowns, and you are getting ready for your weekly test, right? All the very best for your weekly test, and we can move to the today's class. Our today's class is about weather. What is weather? Have you ever heard this word weather? What do you mean by weather? Weather means, think morning you are get up in. When you come out, you feel the heat, light from sun. When time passes, when it is reaching 10, 11 o'clock, you feel too hot due to sun nowadays, right? This is a weather. And some seasons will feel rainy. That is a weather. In some days so the weather changes. Weather is not constant. Sometimes it will be too hot. Sometimes it will be the sun will give little hot. So the weather changes. The weather is not uniform all the day, all the time. It is changing. Some weathers we can see commonly. Some weathers are there. The first one is wind. Wind. Whether we can see the wind? No, right? We can feel the wind. When air is moving fastly, we say it as wind. When we feel wind, more wind, we say it as gale. When it is more, when it is too heavy and it is too fast, we say it as storm. When the storm is accompanied with some thunder and lightning, it is nothing but called thunderstorm. Clear? When the air moves, it is called wind. When the wind is fast, we call it as gale. And when the wind is too fast, we name that as storm. When the storm is accompanied with thunder and lightning, that is nothing but called thunderstorm. Clear? And consider air is there. Air is there in the atmosphere. How this wind is formed? Sun is here. Sun is giving its rays. When this hot rays falls on this air, the air will get heated and it will move away from that particular place. When this air is moving from this particular place, some cool air will occupy that place and this wind is formed. So, when the sun rays reaches the air gets heated up and it moves from that place. And here is an empty place. To occupy this empty space, some cool air is entering and this causes the wind. And next one is, the first weather is wind, the next one is humidity. Okay, what is meant by humidity? The water content present in the air is called humidity. This humidity, how we can say means, if it is too sunny, if you are feeling too hot, what happens means the sun rays will be too heavy and it will, when it reaches the water bodies, that is example sea, the water from the sea will get evaporated and it will mix with the atmospheric air. Now the air get cooled, right? The humidity, the water content present in the air will get increased. Once again listen, humidity means that water present in the air. When this sun rays fall in the water bodies, you consider this is water. This water will start evaporating and this water will evaporate and mingle with the atmospheric air. So now this atmospheric air has more water content. So we can say more humid. During especially in coastal areas, there occurs land breeze and sea breeze. This is also a weather. Now we can see what is this sea breeze and land breeze. Listen, what is sea breeze and land breeze? When you consider morning time, feeling hot. And see, it has water and it is too cool. What happens means, during morning time, the sun will fall on the air present in the atmosphere and it will take the air away. Now some empty spaces fall in this. Once again, air from the atmosphere is affected by the sun rays and it is taken off and some empty spaces form. So from sea, this water or cool air will occupy this space. So from here cool air is coming, from sea cool air is coming to occupy the space in the land. So it is called sea breeze. But when you consider night time, moon will play the role. And when you can see this night time, the land will be cool than the surface of the sea. So now where the space is there? In the sea the space will be there. So from the land, the cool air will go to sea to occupy the space caused by the heat. Here the air, cool air is moving from land to sea. So it is called land breeze. Once again, sea breeze, the cool air moves from sea to land. In land breeze, the cool air moves from land to sea. This is nothing but sea breeze and land breeze. Actually, the sea breeze and land breeze occurs in coastal areas. That is near sea. When we have oceans near our home, this occurs. This is also a weather. So about the weather, the three things we have learned, that is wind. What is wind? That sun rays causes the air to flew away and the particular space is occupied by some other cool air, and at that time the wind is formed. When the wind is fast, it is called, we call it as storm and gale. When it is fast, we call it as gale, and when it is too fast, we call it as storm. When the storm is accompanied by some thunder and lightning, it is called thunderstorm. And about humidity, the water content present in the air is called humidity. When more water content is present, it is more humid. When less water content is present in the air, it is less humid. How this water content is adding to the air? When the sun rays fall on the surface of the water gets evaporated from the sea level and this water mix up with the air. When this water content is mixed with the air, the water present in the air increases, humidity also increases. And in coastal areas, sea breeze and land breeze occurs. This is nothing but sea breeze and land breeze. In morning time, sun plays the role. So in land, empty spaces will form due to the heat, and from sea, the cool air will come to fill the empty space in the land. So from sea, cool air is coming and it is called sea breeze. In land breeze, sea will be hot than the land. So from land, cool air will move to the sea level to fill the space. It is nothing but called land breeze. I hope this is enough for today. We have learned about what is weather and some types of weather. And about your weekly test, as already informed, your weekly test portion is the last unit, that is our clothes. Prepare well for your weekly test. Attend your test within the particular time. Strictly follow the time. Within the given time, if you are writing, it is easy. And after a particular time, I will close the test, right? So after that, you cannot attend, then you have to ask me the screenshot, then I will send the screenshot. This is very difficult for you, and so within one day, the next day, if you are conducting the test by Thursday, you can finish the test by Friday before the next test. It will be easy for you. So your test portion is art cloths. In art cloths, what are the things you have learned? How the cloths are manufactured, the steps followed in manufacturing the cloth, and how we can keep the cloths clean. These are all the two things you have learned in art cloths. This is our test portion, and I hope you all understood about today's class. And in next class, what we are going to learn is water cycle and cloud formation. This is something important. Water cycle means how this water is changing into cloud, and again how it is coming as rain as water. This is about water cycle and cloud formation. About this we can learn in the next class. I hope you all understood today's class. We can meet in the next class. Thank you.